Hey everybody, it's Mr. A House, and I am recording this video to kind of give you the basics of AP Lang, to kind of talk about what this class is going to be and what your summer work is going to entail. So at its core, AP Lang is all about what a person says and how they say it. Everything we do in this class is all the messages that people, corporations, companies, politicians, advertisers, anyone tries to get across to somebody else. Speakers do that through a term called rhetoric. Rhetoric is all of the tools that a speaker has to get their point across to an audience. Rhetoric is like literary devices are for authors, rhetorical devices are for speakers. So this old dude named Aristotle came up with the rhetorical triangle, and the rhetorical how an author can effectively get their point across to a subject. Like all good triangles, the rhetorical triangle consists of three things: ethos, pathos, and logos. Ethos is when an author appeals to their own credibility. In this case, the best example I can come up with shortly of ethos is a military general. You should be listening to them because they have experience. Ethos, appealing to ethos, is answering the question, why should they listen to you? Logos is a little easier. It's logic and reason. It's facts, it's figures. It's, the things that make sense to our logical parts of our brains. It's not credibility and it's not emotion, it's somewhere in between. And then there's pathos, appeals to emotion. These could be sappy emotions, they could be emotions, they can be happy or sad emotions, but at the end of the day, anything that isn't reason and it's not appealing to one's credibility, it's emotional. It's something visceral inside you. Ethos, pathos, and logos are all used by the speaker. The speaker is the person who is speaking. They are speaking to the audience. The audience could be a team, it could be a political rally, it could be the general public watching television. And then there's the purpose. Why the speaker is speaking to the audience, what brought them there, what the speaker hopes to achieve. Now you will use all of these things: speaker, audience, purpose, ethos, pathos, logos, in the three types of sentences we will write in this class and that you'll write this summer. First of all, there's argument. They're going to give you a statement with some kind of an opinion in it, and then you are going to have to have an opinion based on that opinion, and then support it with evidence. So you will either agree, disagree, or qualify an opinion based on that argument, and prove your point with as many examples as you can come up with. So argument, you come up with your own examples. Synthesis, they give you the sources to read. You read 6 to 8 sources, you form an opinion based on those sources and a prompt they give you, and you support your opinion with those sources. And then finally, there's rhetorical analysis. Rhetorical analysis is the essay where you look at someone else's, figure out what they were trying to accomplish and whether they did it or not. For some people, this is the hardest of the 3 essays because there's not a lot of argument at play. You either understand the thing or you don't. Along the course of the course, we will go over vocab. This is not only AP language-specific vocab as well. Because the more words you know, the more words you can use in your essays, the smarter you sound, the higher your score. So I hope that this video gave you a little bit of an introduction as to the course. Click on each essay in the Canvas assignment page to an essay specific to each one of those essay prompts, or video, each one of those essay prompts, which will help you understand a little bit better. All right, thanks guys.